The error code P10 is a Canon error code that could appears on the LCD of the printer and on the computer screen. It could have support codes B202, B203, B204. The alarm lamp of the printer will light up. To begin, check for paper jams. Remove all paper or piece of paper and foreign objects inside the printer. Check the paper sensors along the paper path. There could be a defective sensor or a sensor out of position. The sensor could be a flag, a switch, or a component. Reset the printer, remove the electrical cable, wait 10 minutes, then reinsert the cable. Remove and reinstall the ink cartridges to be sure they are correctly installed. Remove the ink cartridges, and remove the electrical cable. Clean the contacts between the printer and the ink cartridges inside the printer. Be careful, these contacts can be pointed, so take care not to leave behind pieces of cloth. Clean the electronic parts of the cartridges with alcohol. Try to replace the ink cartridges, they could be defective. Try this method. Turn off the printer, then turn on the printer. Open the front cover, and remove the ink cartridges. Don't reinstall the cartridges, and close the cover. There will be an error message. Open the cover, and reinstall the cartridges. Close the cover. Check if the error has disappeared. If nothing works, there could be a problem on the main board.